If there's one thing I know for sure, it's that you have a phone. And in this video, I'll show you how to make that phone pay for itself in no time. Depending on the company model you adopt, the same money-making machine can net you $400 to $1,400 a day. Welcome back to Cash Collect. I'll begin this video with the least lucrative strategies and work my way up to the most lucrative at the conclusion. I know what you're thinking, why don't we just go for the higher paying one? One possible explanation is that certain approaches may be more active than others, despite paying less. So, please do yourself a favor and watch the whole thing. I'm going to describe how to implement every business model I can think of today. My goal in making this video is to give you as much information as I can so that you may choose the most appropriate business strategy for your needs. Number 1. Social Media Manager. First, I'll go through the option of hiring a social media management service. You can start making a good living with very little investment and a small number of customers. When I say social media management, what I really mean is taking care of someone's Facebook, Twitter, and/or YouTube page. To manage your clients' social media and boost their profile, you charge them a monthly fee. You can target salons, small shops, cafes, and hotels that don't have a web presence yet as potential customers. Get them additional exposure by taking over their social media accounts and managing them. The latest version of WhatsApp now supports multiple accounts per device. A direct return on investment can now be communicated to the client, making social media management a more valuable service. Depending on the number of clients and your rates, you can make anywhere from $400 to $750 daily using this strategy. If you want to learn more about starting an internet business and making money in the digital space, then subscribe to my channel. Number 2. User-generated content. User-created content, or UGC, is the video's second approach. Making videos for businesses and their products is at the heart of this business concept. E-commerce companies often lack the resources to produce product videos. You play an important role here. These companies will pay you to post about their wares on social media as a consumer. Because all you need is a phone and you don't have to appear in the videos, this is a fantastic business strategy. It's simple, yet one industry that thrives on UGC makers is dropshippers. TikTok videos, in particular, have the potential to attract a large audience. Thus, the company is continuously on the lookout for content creators to include its products. Dropshippers will pay you to make videos in order to boost their brand awareness and sales. In sum, UGC is a low barrier to enter business model with the potential to earn you up to $500 daily, depending on your expertise and the volume of clients you attract. Number 3. Freelancing. Freelancing is the third type of company to be discussed in this video. To discover contracting jobs, you can use websites like Upwork or Fiverr. Freelancing benefits both employers and workers, so I anticipate that soon most people will engage in it. Freelancers have greater control over their schedules and working environments than ever before. Freelancers can provide services for a fraction of the cost of full-time staff, and firms can build connections with them. Freelancing has its perks, and one of them is the ability to use artificial intelligence to automate some of your jobs. However, many tasks still require human intervention. The social media marketing company strategy isn't the only way to make six figures through freelancing. Freelancers typically make between $100,000 and $500,000 a year on sites like Upwork. YouTube channels and social media in general can help you locate customers no matter which business plan you end up deciding on from this video. Cold calling is a dying business strategy. They follow the advice of popular YouTubers and other influential online figures. So, if you're serious about starting a successful YouTube channel, you should check out my flagship product, YouTuber Pro. In YouTuber Pro, I share the tactics I took to build my own channel from 0 to 250,000 followers in under a year. Having a YouTube channel can help you build your clientele, expand your reputation, and generate new revenue opportunities. Alright, on to the next business plan. Number 4. Print on demand. Printing products as needed is ranked 4th. This model was included since it is a good way to get going in a company without having to worry about stocking shelves. If you're interested in starting a print-on-demand business, I have a number of free videos on my channel that will walk you through the process, beginning to end. These days, it's a breeze thanks to on-demand printing services like Printify, Printful, and Amazon. Free accounts are available, and once you've uploaded your designs, you may begin taking orders. There is a little fee for listing on some platforms, but I explain all of them in depth in my videos. Print-on-demand technology frees you to focus on design, while software like Midjourney streamlines the process. Print-on-demand work often brings around $500 per day on average. Number 5. Etsy selling. The purchase and sale of digital patterns on Etsy is number 5 on this list. There are shops on Etsy bringing in over $1 million annually under this approach, and it seems to be on the rise. The beauty of this particular strategy is that novices won't be held back by a lack of knowledge. Midjourney is a great place to start making patterns without having to promote your goods. Etsy's search engine will direct customers to your listings once you've posted them there. If you execute this strategy well, you can passively generate between $500 and $1,000 each day. Number 6. Content creation. Content production must be number 6 on this list. The field of content production is one that shows no signs of slowing down. You probably have followed online influencers and purchases on their advice. That's why the content industry is thriving right now. We may get to know one another better through the process of making material, especially videos. This is why consistent viewers put their faith in their favorite personalities. We've connected with each other. Until recently, only large corporations with big advertising budgets could afford the volume of traffic that may be generated through content development. Nowadays, content development may be used to attract visitors at no cost. You can get millions, even billions of impressions with just a single post. You can monetize your content in a number of ways, such as displaying ads, promoting affiliate items, selling your own products, or accepting sponsorships. Businesses nowadays must learn to create content or risk being left behind. Without a strong online video presence on sites like YouTube, a company will quickly fall behind the competition. I'm not exaggerating when I say that a daily profit of $1,000 is realistic when using this strategy for the company. The earning potential is significantly increased. I followed this strategy and went from making nothing to $30,000 a month in just 3 short months. We hope you enjoyed the video. But now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit the like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video about the best 4 side hustles. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.